Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make a smoke alarm testing in my grandparents' place. So there's one right here, you can see up there. And I'll show you the other one, which is in this hallway. There's another one right there. And they are over 10 years old, so I'll be making a video like probably replacing these alarms sometime if I could. But so first we gotta test these alarms right here. Alright. There is one. And I'm gonna put this down. Alright. Is this thing working? There we go. Interesting. Yeah. I wonder if I got some smoke spray, but I don't have smoke spray yet. Let's try again. That thing's not working. That's not good. That's no good. Hang on, let's try that again. Yeah. That's weird. Well, that's sad. This one's not working. The other one right here, in the hallway, it's working. That's no good. I had to let my grandparents know because they cannot hear very well. This one right here, this is my grandparents' room right here. This one doesn't go off, but the other one right here that goes off. Let's try that again. Well, I have to be pretty, like, this thing chirped at me. It chirped at me. Yeah. Yeah, I think that doesn't work. Alright, that's no good. That one doesn't work, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. That one does not work, so that's not a good thing. And that one right here actually works. I can try to test that alarm again. I have to let my grandparents know. Is that really? They don't really test them very often. I'll test this one again. But this one right here, yeah. I'll put this thing down. Yeah, this is why I don't recommend these type of alarms right here. This one does not work very well. It's very finicky. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and have a great day. Bye.